With this background that Aspa keeps doing the research, and we're already in conversation with CRISIL to refurbish or to renew the current situation, to assess the current situation. So we're already in talks with CRISIL to do a revised version of this report as of 2025. And just earlier today in the Aspa governing body meeting, we were talking at possible days when this should be ready and this should be launched. So in the very next few months, you'll hear more about this when an updated Aspa CRISIL report will be launched. Counterfeiting, we also need to now understand what is the situation with the authentication industry that is here. So it was against this background, we collaborated with Accenture and undertook a landmark research product, which is the market size of Indian traceability and authentication industry. We all know that the industry has been growing rapidly for the past 3 decades that we have been in existence. But we wanted to get a sense of just exactly what our reach was, how many brands were we impacting, how many industry segments were we impacting. So we got together with Aspa and put it all together. And this represents the entire authentication and traceability industry and makes it very unique, really. It's a one-of-a-kind report because in India, there is definitely no report which kind of deals with this topic. And even globally, there are some reports published by some private players, but never by an industry association. So that I would like to think, is a great step forward, and we are truly setting standards for the authentication industry globally. Now, let me share a few highlights from this important report. Though, of course, Rajat later in the day will speak a lot more details about this report. But the Indian authentication and traceability industry stood at 9,705 crores in FY 23-24, with a CAGR of 7.4% over the past 5 years. It is projected to reach
Pharmaceutical Alliance as a senior advisor for anti-counterfeit work. I have completed 1 year and have acquainted myself with so many issues relating to the counterfeits. I would like to share some of my experience with regard how to interface forensics into the counterfeit world, especially with Aspa and all the industries people who are here, how to use forensics. My focus has been that you people have gone through your report and I have found that there are n number of solutions provided. But if there is an infringement on that, what action is to be taken? I could see Mr. Koja writing parallel, and which we can possibly control through the use of forensics and make these solutions more robust. So I'm very happy that this platform is given to me. I have only 15 minutes, I'll just rush. I just about my background. I served with the Central Bureau of Investigation. What is the solution that you're making? Does it reach out to the lowest people in the rural areas? I will be talking about rural forensics where there is more need for working. So this education, training, awareness and capacity building we can offer. Training programs on forensic authentication. What all it can be done for whom? For ASPA members, for the law enforcement agencies, for the regulatory bodies on forensic authentication techniques. We can also design curriculum design for industry academia collaboration. I strongly recommend that ASPA should collaborate with the academia to find new solutions. There are a number of startups who are coming up. There are a number of people who are working in the forensic field and bringing more solution-oriented things. Then there will be some collaboration between ASPA and
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.